Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So an error occurred while preparing the installation, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just power on your computer, just tap on Command or at one time, and just before you will see up logo, and just release your fingers from these two buttons. So now just wait until it will load system. And you will see your macOS utilities. So now just choose your language and just tap on continue. So now just wait until it will examine the volumes. So now just go to, so you will receive this error when you try to reinstall it. So just when you tap on it, you will get this error. So now you just need to go to utilities and just open terminal. So in terminal you just need to write date and just tap on enter. So now you will see, you need to see your date, so just check it, because you also receive this error just caused by wrong date on your computer. So if you see here wrong date, so how you can fix it, just write date and just write your date, write date here. So first it's months, so for example first month, just slash day slash and year, and just tap on enter. So just tap like this format. Sorry, maybe I just write year with 2 digits but not 4. So I will try it. So here you can see the right way how you need to write this date. So just try. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.